Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter 3rd, class 4, chapter 3rd, components of computer system. In this chapter, we have to learn about the different components of computer, likely main components, their hardware and software, and about the types of software and about the types of hardware. So let's pay attention. Start. First is components of computer system. Students, as you know, computer is made up by the two main components. One is the hardware and second is software. First is the hardware. What is hardware? All the physical parts of or components of computer system which we can see and touch, known as hardware, like keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. Students, all the physical parts, means the parts which are just front of you, all are the hardwares, like your monitor, like your keyboard, like your mouse, CPU. These all are the in the category of hardware. Software. Students, कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में चलने वाले सारे प्रोग्राम्स नॉन एज सॉफ्टवेयर. यू कैन से computer software, also called software, is a set of instructions and its documentation that tells a computer what to do or how to perform a task. Software include all different software programs on a computer, such as application and the operating system. Student, software is the set of, in the simple words you can say, software is the set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. That is system software. Types of software. Students, there is the mainly two types of computer softwares are there. One is the application software and second is system software. Types of hardware. There is the mainly four types of hardwares are there: input device, processing device, output device and storage device. First is the input device, the data or instructions, which is the device which is used to give data or instructions to the computer, known as input device. Here is the definition. Input device is a piece of computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing, such as a computer or information appliance. Examples of input device include keyboard, mouse, scanner, digital cameras, joystick and microphones. But in the simple words you can see the device which is used to give data or instructions to the computer, known as input device. Students, input device means the device, एक ऐसा कंप्यूटर का डिवाइस that has to give instructions to the computer, known as input device. Here is the example of input devices is keyboard. This is the most widely used input device. It is used for entering data into a computer system. A keyboard has four different types of keys. You know, students, on the keyboard there is a many small buttons on that. Those buttons known as keys, and these keys are divided into four different categories. Those categories are numeric keys, alphabet keys, function keys, special character keys. Mouse. It is one of the most common input pointing device. It allows us to select an icon with the movement of the mouse cursor. Mouse has following three actions. Students, mouse is another an important input device that has three actions. One is the click, second is double click, and third one is right click. Student, click means on the desktop screen on any icon. When you click on that icon means that icon will be selected. When you double click on that icon will be opened. But when you will right click on that particular icon, it will show a contest menu. Joystick. It is an input device used to control video games and usually have one or more push buttons. Watch state can also be read by the computer. Student, it is just look like you can say gear of your four-wheeler car. आपकी कार का जो गियर होता है सेम उसी तरह से होता है. Okay, you can up, you can down, you can left and you can right. So you can move objects according to your requirement. After that, output device. What is output device? An output device is any device used to send data from a computer to another device or user. Most computer data output that is meant for human is in the form of audio or video. Thus, most output devices used by human are in these categories. For examples include monitor. Monitor is also known as video, projectors, speakers, headphones and printers. Student, after complete the processing, computer produce output to the user. So these output devices produce output to the user. Major difference between input device and output device is the students, input devices give instructions to the computer, but output device produce output result to the user. तो ये यूज़र को रिजल्ट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं, बट द इनपुट डिवाइस give instructions to the computer. In the simple words, you can see the device which is used to produce result to the user known as output device. Example includes say monitor, projector, speakers, headphones and printers. The most commonly used in output device is the monitor. This is also known as visual display unit. It is most commonly used output device. It looks like television. It shows our work on the screen, what we are doing. It is looks like that is just you can say keep in front of you. When you sit on the computer, in front of you in the computer, you will find that is the monitor. Printer. It gives output on the paper when connected to a computer system. The printer matter obtained by a printer is called hard copy. Student, output in the two form. One is the hard copy and second is soft copy. Output which is provided by the monitor is known as soft copy output, and the output produced by printer is known as hard copy output. After that, speakers. These speakers are used to listen music or songs or played by the computer. Speakers allows listening to music or songs played by the computer. Third one is the storage device. These devices are used to store informations in the computer in the different file formats, like your documents, like your audios, like your videos and other file formats also. A storage device is used for storing, porting and extracting data files and projects. It can hold and store information both temporarily and permanently. Student, temporarily means short time and permanently means for a long time. जब तक आप डिलीट नहीं करेंगे तब तक डाटा आपका वहीं रहेगा. and can be internal or external to a computer. Internal, fixed storage device. External, portable storage device. Fixed means easily you cannot transfer from one computer to another computer. External means easily you can transfer data from one computer to another computer. Simple words you can say, a storage device is used to store information temporarily or permanently and can be fixed or portable, known as storage device. Examples students are here: hard disk, RAM, ROM. Students remember RAM and ROM both are the internal storage device. Okay. Primary storage device you can also say these. CDs, floppies nowadays we are not using. Memory card which is used in your mobile phone. Pen drives you have to see many. And magnetic tapes nowadays are also not using. Storage device, some examples also here: hard disk, compact disk, digital versatile disk, pen drive and floppy disk. After that, the comparison between the pen drive, flash drive, or you can say pen drive or hard disk. Hard disk, it is a set of disks which run with help of a hard disk drive, but it is inserted into a USB का फुल फॉर्म होता है यूनिवर्सल सीरियल बसेस पोर्ट ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. USB पोर्ट मीन्स स्टूडेंट यू कैन सी जहाँ पे आप पेन ड्राइव CPU में कनेक्ट करते हैं, दैट पोर्ट इज नोन एज USB पोर्ट. द स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी ऑफ द हार्ड डिस्क इज क्वाइट हाई, 500 GB or more. The storage capacity of a flash drive varies from 1 GB to 32 GB. Students, it is more than 500 GB, but nowadays pen drives are also more than 32 GB. But you can see hard disk is the fastest and largest storage media, but pen drives are the slower than the hard disk. It is reliable as the data stored doesn't get destroyed easily. It is not very reliable for storing valuable data and documents. सबसे ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? Affected by the viruses. Microprocessor, you can say this is the CPU, you can say this is the brain of your computer system. Microprocessor is the main component on which the efficiency of the computer depends. It is a small chip which has a square shape. It basically contains control unit, CU, arithmetic and logic unit, ALU. Students, it is your CPU. You can say microprocessor or you can say it is the CPU. Outside you see that is the box. There is the many components in the CPU, your hard disk, your motherboard, but mainly it's the CPU, and this CPU is designed by the Intel Corporation. Name of Pentium 4. Motherboard. Students, you are looking, this is also the part of your CPU box. This component is also fixed inside your CPU box. Motherboard is the main circuit board in a computer system. It looks like a small computer city and the electrical pathways look like roads. थोड़ा सा जूम करके देखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, you will find here is the many buildings, but this is the motherboard or main board of your computer system. Your all input and output devices are connected to this board. You know your CPU connects here, and these ports are known as USB ports, universal serial buses. Uninterrupted power supply, UPS. What is the function of UPS? It supplies power instantly for some time even after electricity goes off. लाइट नहीं है तब भी फॉर ए शॉर्ट टाइम इट सप्लाइज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू योर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. कंपैरिजन बिटवीन ह्यूमंस एंड द कंप्यूटर्स. ये कंप्यूटर यूजेस इनपुट डिवाइसेस लाइक कीबोर्ड, फीड डाटा एंड सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस टू स्टोर डाटा. Human beings uses sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin to get information. The central processing unit is responsible for all types of processing. Human beings use brain for all types of processing. A computer uses monitor and printer as an output device, but human beings use mouth or body language as output device. Student, our chapter is over. Now we are going to complete the exercise. Okay? Yes, ready for the exercise. First is the state whether the following statements are true or false. First, a component which performs calculation is known as hardware. CPU का इंटरनल एक पार्ट है दैट परफॉर्म्स द कैलकुलेशन, दैट इज नॉट ए हार्डवेयर. पेन ड्राइव इज ए हार्डवेयर. यस, पेन ड्राइव इज द हार्डवेयर. ए कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम यूज इन ए कंप्यूटर is termed as software. Yes, the programs which are used in the computer system known as softwares. Result tabulation system is a hardware device. No student, result tabulation system is a software program. So it's false. You can obtain result on input devices. Student, results obtains on the output devices, not on input devices. So this is false. Secondary storage devices are external to the computer system. Secondary storage devices are external to the computer system. Yes student, internal storage devices के लिए हम primary storage use करते हैं और external के लिए secondary storage device. Input devices are used to feed data into a computer. Yes, true. 7 number. Input devices are used to feed data into a computer. Yes, this is true. Mouse is not a popular output device. Students listen, mouse is not a popular output device. This is true because mouse is a popular input device, but here is not a output device. Okay, so this is true. CPU is similar to a human brain. Yes, CPU is the similar to human brain because in a human body brain do all the control all the activities. In the same, the computer system CPU controls all the activities. Microprocessor is another name of CPU. Yes student, microprocessor is the also the CPU. Okay, next. Give 2 examples each of the following. Output devices के 2 examples, monitor and printer. Input devices के 2 examples, keyboard and mouse. Secondary storage के 2 examples, hard disk, DVD. Microprocessor, Intel Pentium 4 और Intel का you can say Intel Pentium 4 और Intel Core 2 Duo. Write short notes on input devices. The device which is used to give instructions to the computer known as input device. Central processing unit. CPU is the brain of computer which is responsible for all types of processing done by the computer. Microprocessor is the other name of CPU which done all the arithmetic and logical calculations. UPS, it supplies the power instantly for some time even after electricity goes off. Motherboard, Motherboard is the main circuit board in a computer system. Secondary storage device is used to store information. Give two difference between the following: hardware and software. Hardware is the physical part of computer, but software is set of instructions. We can see and touch hardware, but we cannot see and touch software. System software and application software. System software help to run a computer, but application software perform a particular task of a user. Input device and output device. Input device help to give instructions to the computer, but output device produce output to the user. Computer and human being. Hard disk and pen drive. Both are to the next page, students. Computer and human being. Computers are fast and accurate, but human beings are not so. Computer cannot think, but human can think. Hard disk and pen drive. Hard disk is the fastest storage device, but pen drive is slower than hard disk. Hard disk is a fixed storage device, but pen drive is portable storage device. Thanks, student. Thank you very much. Now you have to do all the question answers and fill ups in your notebook. Okay, students? Okay. Thank you.